VidIQ is a software that aims to assist YouTube creators in discovering topics and keywords for their videos. Additionally, the tool has a robust YouTube SEO feature set that helps with the creation of SEO-friendly tags, titles, and descriptions. The scorecard in the VidIQ tool gives you a lot of information about all of your videos. You might believe that YouTube Analytics already gives you access to that data. You do in fact have access to some of it. However, the metrics that YouTube hides in its analytics component are made simple to access with VidIQ. Thus, it is a solution that is easier to use. Want to know about it in detail? Well, stay tuned to the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will talk about VidIQ Review. Meanwhile, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. That being done, let's start. The tool not only tells you how well your own videos are doing, but it also shows you how they compare to those of your rivals. If you want to advance in your industry, it is useful information. The scorecard also emphasizes social interactions. You will be able to see how well your videos perform on Reddit and Facebook. You can even get a score for SEO, or search engine optimization, from the tool. It reveals how well your video responds to a variety of queries. Additionally, VidIQ provides you with a checklist for video optimization. Make use of that data to make sure that your video does well in both search and social media. The information about tags, titles, descriptions, cards, end screens, closed captions, and more will be highlighted on that checklist. The ideal is your videos will even get tags from VidIQ. Follow the suggestions and you'll save a lot of time. Additionally, any contentious keywords that could lead to demonetization will be highlighted by the tool. Additionally, VidIQ provides insights into your entire channel, in addition to providing analytics for each individual video. For a list of the most popular videos, be sure to visit the section titled Trending. You might find some ideas for your own marketing plan there. Last but not least, the scorecard's historical tab will provide you with an indication of how well your video has performed since being uploaded to YouTube. A component for keyword research is included in the product. It will show you, in addition to the most popular search terms for a particular topic, the average number of views and subscribers for those terms. You can even see if a search term is still popular using the tool. VidIQ also offers a keyword score, which is not surprising. By highlighting the words or phrases' popularity, it functions similarly to the keyword score for other products you've seen. A score of 0 for competition and 100 for search volume is what you want here. However, you probably won't see numbers that are quite as good if you are in a niche that receives a lot of traffic. You can even use the product's keyword translator to translate your keywords into the languages of some of your target market. Lastly, VidIQ offers a tag autocomplete function. The tool will complete the keyword for you by typing something pertinent to your brand. With that feature, you probably won't run out of ideas for additional keywords. You can set up alerts on trending topics with VidIQ. How frequently you receive emails about current trends is up to you. Every day, every 2 days, every week, or every month is an option. You can likewise indicate the kinds of patterns you want to get data about. You might, for instance, only want to see Thai cooking trends with more than 5,000 views per hour, or VPH. Trends are a great way to learn about video marketing opportunities you might have missed. The thumbnail of a video is what people see when they scroll through search results on YouTube. You really want to ensure that your thumbnails certainly stand out. Luckily, VidIQ offers a device that assists you with making thumbnails. The tool can even be used to create a thumbnail template for all of your videos. The thumbnail editor itself is a graphics editor that is easy to use. Unlike Photoshop, the learning curve is very short. Add text, images, shapes, and more to your thumbnail using that editor. Then customize it with colors that complement your aesthetic. Add branding at the end to get some free publicity for yourself. Once you have the image the way you want it, use it in your video and publish it. When you join VidIQ, you'll have access to productivity tools that will make your efforts in digital marketing more efficient. To begin, the tool lets you copy cards and end screens in bulk. End screens can also be edited in bulk. There's more though. You can respond to comments much more quickly with VidIQ's Comment Productivity Tool. How does that work? It lets you make comment templates that you can quickly edit, copy, and paste. Lastly, you can download all of your metadata using the tool. If you need to create a backup, that is useful. So what are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for the day, guys. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching. We'll see you at the next one. Until then, peace.